People them for block 3 for Makepe Misoke wake up now with pikin where they don't born chook the neck throw am for that side so for inside Makepe near this morning time where some one person says where they work for day is see that pikin one time near them and ketu them says they get there for try for look where to happen just now they never sabi who a born pikin then he keep pikin a throw am for that side so for Makepe Misoke where he then for under Douala 5. Tori two for this afternoon, we go take una go for side where they call am say Esoata na for the BLM where it show say they don't burn some chief house. As I say the house, the burn inside this very moon where we don't enter for them. Now so said we go take una we turn for CSW school. It don't start for place them for Northwest and even for Southwest. Sabi say place where they call am say Kumba for Sika country Sunday yesterday. Now today where some school picking them go for school. One of the thing where they happen for day, now say plenty of them they no get school uniform. Better for that side for Tabenkeng, now for Northwest, where with the yesterday school too, it don't start fine yesterday and early them they be so uniform them dash and for school picking them as well school is start for that side. Tori for this afternoon we go talk palava for thing where happen for protocol where people then say they don't sleep straight through as we get them for week before. All this story them we go bring them with the newspaper we did for week before and even a newspaper plus case for people there they don't lose we get them. Big part talk for this afternoon it tell we say na only person wey dull e go carry bucket go climb on top tree for carry water time wey rain e dey fall say na only dull person if he carry bucket e go climb on top tree time wey rain e dey fall. Big part up e comot na for we come before Bafusam wey they call am say a prince wey dey turn back small time man no run. Good afternoon, country people them. We don't glad again for meet up for inside that Tori house. Now for Equinox, big officers for inside Douala we will talk for now for this side. As well as Sabi for Tori for this afternoon, we go start now for inside Makepe Misoke for block 3. We go start back now for the also one of the same way some woman a born picking so they can throw am for inside that hole as we una see am so for that side. But Sabi say for inside the palabam, person way there with the brown clothes, na way be one waka, he can meet up this picky way he don't die where they put am inside rapun for that side so for Makepe Misoke. One time chief for block he come now so to people them police for 11 districts say they become for can look the palabam. Now so to near them say for inside that side them say the kunkuma run come for can see the arraignment. Sabi say the woman way they so he born picking so he kill am. So now they never fit for Sabi as way them say they come near to where they come for they be turn for take photo them for the picking way they so they don't already kill am. According to Tori way enter we here it show say for sticker say the woman e no be one time say make the pikin over cry e be chook the pikin self for neck before the pikin die so na just for back that block with that ngondere sesep it turn up na for the way they so the woman e born that pikin e chook am e mean say e kill the pikin before e want throw am. We hear say na for this early morning time where they keep that pikin as way people then say they want wake up for the morning time they see am na for inside some hole and inside rapun where they don't already tie the pikin as way una sesep see am so for that side e be then na pikin way e do already big pikin they born the pikin fine before the woman sesep e kill am for the whole way they see am so now for the way they discover that rapun where pikin e be there for inside. So just now with the here say near them and Ketu they don't start for make investigate on top this palava where it happen for place where they call am say Makepe Misoke for block 3. They never sabi just now the woman where he do that kind of thing. But as Sabi say before they go finish make the investigate as we to them say they become and even near them so they become for them all them they go join for make the investigate for Sabi that woman where he born pikin he kill am he throw am where they only see am now for this early morning time for side so for inside Makepe Misoke for block 3 as we Tori enter for inside we here. So for another chapter for tori for this afternoon just now, we go open chapter for northwest and southwest. Now village that for Eso Ata, now for BLM division for inside southwest. Now house that for chief where they meet up away don't burn. Now who they burn the house? Question say where people they never ask them. Someone them they the one try for point finger for uniform people. Other one them they the try for talk say they no sabi who them they put the fire for inside this chippy house for that side. So for inside the Eso Ata for BLM. Sabi self say Eso Ata na village where they for BLM side and plenty of the people them for that side. Someone they no get mind. They be don't already run comot for inside the village for sake this palava where it is also continue for happen. BLM it don't turn one of that place away. Any man we no get mind. You know if you go for some area them for inside the BLM side for sake palava for two don't also continue for the past for day as well this palava for northwest and southwest it is also continue for happen. So now that chief house out for inside the Swata with the bomb no man ever fit for talk who side the burning come out who put the fire even as well some of them they is also blame now people they will check say na them they put the fire. So the chief too if he get for turn back for the BLM anytime he no go get place or she done as well he own house he don't burn and even the other small corner house them too they don't already burn them as we tori he enter for inside we here. On top of this chapter, so for northwest and southwest, we go take on go for side where they call them say Tabenkeng, country people them. School uniform one that they see am so na early them for inside Tabenkeng where they sew that uniform them for give for school picking them. Sabi say they picking them, they go school with the color clothes for Sika Palava say they so some mommy they no get money for buy uniform. Some na for Sika Palava for security where they decide to make them picking them. They go school where they no get uniform. But just now after we peace caravan people them for inside the Tabenkeng they pass for there Oga Gerard Ngala and even other big early them they be pass for that side after we they give them some more encourage say they so they get for turn back for school for November. Yesterday now way they so school start plenty of the picking the way they go school where they no be get uniform. Just now you go see them say all place don't change I show they picking them come out them color clothes then they wear uniform for that side. So for inside the Tabenkeng for northwest for CC school it starts and maybe picking them the learn book as well as early themselves they decide for so plenty uniform them for give for that government primary school for inside Tabenkeng where if you don't beat you for some 3 years it nobody go but after with the peace caravan people the way for me a time for me Jerangala to be there among they go talk now so to the picking them just now they glad plenty for Sika Palava say they don't get school uniform and school too it go for before for that side so for inside the Tabenkeng now for a northwest. So for Palava for school we don't turn back for Sika country Sunday we be there for inside Kumba yesterday plenty school them they no be fit for go. So today assistant divisional senior divisional officer for Kumba Mami Hemia Njonje as well the talk just now it is also continue Iwaka for see as well school them they don't enter for inside the Kumba when a Meme division. This one na government primary school for that side so for Kumba town now for the first place that way Mami SDO Ilan for that side he meet up plenty picking them where themselves they don't come school even as well one of the country fashion for them now say they picking them they know the wear uniform for Sika Palava for security. So Mama SDO as well tonton for inside that school you see as well population don't come one time Ilan too for Enyet na place where they train teacher them where they can't teach at tomorrow for they too all teacher them for inside that place they be there and even they picking them too where they want be future teacher them all themselves they be there for day as well ma SDO it turn for inside their own school compound where it dey for that side for Kumba. After where ma SDO it come out for inside this teachers training college one time now for a government for Cameroon College of Arts and Science where now for Kaskumba for they way land as we enter for inside Kaskumba. Just now tori we enter we here Kaskumba, he get his own pikin dem for his own section. Then he even look out pikin dem wey dey comot for government secondary school for Kang Barumbi. Sabi say for Sika say Kang Barumbi side, insecurity dey plenty. Na for inside Kaskumba just now wey government secondary school for Kang Barumbi too, e dey. Na for Sika why that way see that banner wey e dey show say e dey so na for that side. So we meet up pikin dem wey dey learn even as so they know dey plenty. Dem say they come now with the color clothes. Sabi say for inside government bilingual high school for station for Kumbade with the here say government bilingual high school station too. E dey look out government secondary school Kake. So e no dey na only government bilingual high school for station. We get government secondary school Kake too for that side wey ma SDO e be go for go look am. But sabi say when e be go for section wey government secondary school Kake, e be get for B, e no be meet up school pikin dem for inside class, but e be meet up teacher dem wey dey under government secondary school Kake wey they don can school for can teach, but the pikin dem they no be can school na their own section that wey pikin dem say they be get for day school. Them they no can school, but side wey teacher dem say for government secondary school for Kake they meet up teacher dem for inside job for Tewi say they so just now for Sika Palava for insecurity. We get government secondary school Kake and even government secondary school for Kang Barumbi where they don't put them now for inside government bilingual high school for Kumba station and even Kaskumba for that side. So for Kumba, so just now the condition that now the situation that we ma SZO Hemia Njonje second assistant for Meme division e meet up as we the tonton for C as we second term is start for inside the Meme division. This also continue as so the talk just now. So na image on the live for Kumba. It is just now for that side. So for Sofati as so na Sabiam na government bilingual technical school for Kumba we ma SDOSSF. It dey for the just now as we Tori enter for we here. We go talk palava this waka in the proper where we meet up tomorrow. Now so the school day for inside some of the place them for inside Mungo Sesewe school it starts will be tonton for some of the school them for under Mungo division for day one we be meet up as school picking them where it dey so all man if you don't prepare whether na the college own or na the small picking on them all man if you don't turn back for school after we they enjoy Christmas and even New Year holiday so they turn back for come continue from side where they be end for first term. Sabi say second term no be na term wey pikin dey get for play over for Sika Palava say na term wey e over small and plenty ngando dem the day. So we meet up the pikin dem wey dem don come school happy all man di jolly for mine as we even one day wey they come late they be first for pick for do pick as we they come late for that side. So for school, so school e don start fine for inside the Mongo division as we no man e no come for back late as we Tori enter for we here. And just for Sabi say for Sika say some of them they come late number one day they be put them for outside for inside the school the way they do already start for Mongo division side there for Loom and even for Jombe Pinjam for some of the school that will go for there we meet up some people there the day for outside for Sika say they come late. Sabi say automatic now around that kind of 7:30 where school it get for start we get people there they come with we get something with the wawa hair with the some school picking SSF where they become. We go turn back. Maybe we'll go continue this chapter for school. Maybe we'll enter for the other chapter. Sabi say we get some picking the way they become with Christmas and New Year here where they become for school. Sabi say this palabam in make them say picking them they no be fit for concentrate. So as well they enter for school now so to they send them for outside. As well you see teacher will turn up. Teacher be they send back all picking the way they come with wawa hair for school. Now me say you wear your papa you know be tell say go shave. Where you come back now with see Christmas or New Year hair now so to teacher it tell you say turn you back say that your hair no be na the kind of hair way beer way they be one time say make you take and come back for school. See the kind of hair where picking they come back with time for school now with beer that where picking it be automatically get for shave before you come back. See picking the hair where be the turn back for school. So teacher too he break it he talk say mommy D1 no be na beer where you will take and enter for can learn school abeg just go you back go you we no one see you now beer lady wey dey use am for chop Christmas, so pikin e no be get right at all for turn back with the same baby. See the one too, e put na BB mark for e hair wey e dey show say no na dey kind of hear dem. Na the one wey dey come late and one dem too wey dey come wowo baby. As so they be dey enter for school, they be dey just check their baby. One way your hair dey fine, you enter. You way your baby no dey fine, they tell you say go shave. If you know for go baba your head fine, then you turn back like this my sister where he come with a fine hair baby where he dey so he shave am for Christmas and New Year. Everyone can show am for a friend them say New Year and Christmas be fine for his side. So he become with a fine baby wey be take am for Christmas, but they be tell you no be na for school. He go can show that baby make it take am for outside. We go take una go for far north for talk this palava to attack wey happen for that side for on top bridge where they call am say El Beit, as we report e comot for Tokman for Minister for Defence Oga Atomfak. They try for tell we say this one and 9 and people them sleep straight for Sekadi bomb wey e be chakara for that side. So for bridge for El Beit where e dey na for boundary between Cameroon for Fotokol side and even Nigeria. As we tori enter we here na some person wey make mistake e carry firewood wey dey so this thing wey dey call am say grenade e be dey for inside. 9 wey chakara then e give cut for some people dem. 9 people dem wey na Nigeria dey die and 21 wey na so Nigeria dey get caught. Then we get 5 Cameroon people dem sesep wey e dey so dem sesep dey get caught. According to that report wey Minister for Defence Tokman Igiam e try for talk say the one day wey dey get caught they don carry them go for hospital for Fotokol just now. As so people dey check over this place na boundary between Cameroon and Nigeria, and person says wey put that grenade so now they never fit for sabi, but as I talk for now e be na thing wey don carry plenty people them head e go with am. Even as well some people that dey try for talk say they dey confuse on top of this number them. The number when governor give am e dey show say na only Nigerian people them they sleep straight, and even plenty of way they get caught na so Nigerian people them 21 and 9 Nigeria where they get caught, and 9 where they die, and 5 where they get wound for Cameroon side. So some of them they dey for hospital bed for that side. So for Fotokol as we tori enter for we ear. Last story for this afternoon na palava for Ndamba country people them. Ndamba we enter under 23 or fit talk a lion them. This one na a small pikin na the way they come under the big man Ndamba team where they for country. Them say they dey na for number 3 training for inside Douala here. As so now they see them so big coach where they call it Yves Clement Aroga a day for Douala just now where it make prepare. Sabi say na the number 3 time the way they meet up with this Ndamba boy them as well they prepare for African Nations Championship where they call them say Shan. Dan Ndamba it go come for April number 4 days, so they enact for April number 25 day for inside the Cameroon. Sabi say the one day they day for Douala, them say they be don't be for inside Yaoundé where they be don't start the prepare, and for number 24 day for inside this moon we hear say they will get Bobo Ndamba with auxiliary lion them for even a place where they call them say chat where they go knock am for inside Cameroon just now. Now so continue for prepare for Shan where na Cameroon it go happen from number 4 day for April moon, so they will land for a number how many day number 25 day for inside the April moon. So people them for Clement Aroga they also continue for their prepare as we they the one for C say they so make thing them also continue for the happen better for inside we country as we in Ndamba sesep e dey come for this side and make una sabi sef say din Ndamba wey Cameroon dey happen na just the small one country people them wey e dey so e get for help Cameroon for prepare for the big Ndamba wey go come for 2021 wey e be na chapter for talk say Cameroon e don start for prepare for the big Ndamba wey e go dey come for 2021 as wey other big country them they go enter for inside we country. Now, so we see tori for this afternoon. The newspaper we dey for we before. Now the Guardian Post newspaper where they tell we say some 13-year-old girl he put poison inside chop so his sister he die for Yawinde. You fit read that tori for inside the Guardian Post wey dey for outside. Palava for Northwest and Southwest wey popcorn is also hala. They tell we as we big people dem say for CPDM they don't talk from Kunkuma say make it beg, make it talk say Ashia, for make it talk say they sorry for sake say he make war against people there they hold gun for that side. So for Northwest and Southwest they also talk say uniform people them they no go help for say make this fight is stop as way it dey so na so we own people there they also die all day. You go read tori too for inside Ministry for Money wetin wey dem dey happen for them. You fit for read them and other small thing them wey the Guardian Post newspaper wey na the only English newspaper wey dey all time it try for talk for we this afternoon. We get case for people wey don lost. We go start with this man wey they call am say Formaton. We get this one wey just enter for we hand. Na the young boy that they call him na John Lovely Formaton, and they talk say he disappear for their house since on number 17 day December moon. They talk say he come up for their family house for Brazzaville, quarter way they call am say Brazzaville, and no man he no sabi where he go. This pikin he get na 15 years and na pikin for Form 3 for some college inside Douala here. This pikin he dey talk Queen Elisa and even Emmanuel Macron a country talk. So just now Oga Bu Kumbang Robert e dey beg any person wey e don see this a pikin make e beg na beg for call that number wey dey see for before tele 677-148-246 670-628-396, or you fit bring the pikin for if you take it for number 8 district police station. If no be so, you bring am for Equinox Story House. They say dash you. Monsieur Kalbam Robert annonce la disparition de son fils, le nommé John Lovely Formaton, depuis le 17 décembre 2019. Il est parti du domicile familial 6 au quartier Brazzaville pour une destination inconnue et il est âgé de 15 ans, élève en Forme 3. Il s'exprime en français et en anglais. Monsieur Robert prie toute personne qui retrouvait ou hébergeait son fils de bien vouloir la conduire ou de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro que vous voyez sur l'écran 677-148-246 670-628-396 ou le conduit au commissariat du 8e arrondissement ou à la télévision Equinox contre forte récompense. We get this other announce when some mommy the announce mommy wey the talk say he pikin too he don lost he pikin he name na Ngok Ben Christian Frank Loic, and the pikin he get the pikin he dey na 18 years. The pikin he dey 18 years, and pikin he come up for their family house from Dogbat since for number 31 day for December moon 2019, and since we Loic he come out no man he no sabi where he dey. This pikin he hate eternal fine. Na mean say he dey kampe. They say the talk country talk for Yabasi people them, and even country talk for Bassam, and he sabi too for now country talk for Emmanuel Macron people them. So they beg any man wey don't see this pikin or he dey keep am and Gok and Ben Christian Frank Loic they beg na beg say tingly number where you see am for before tele 696-614-326-654-218-826 na number that way if you call am. If no be so, you fit take am for any Ketu dem office where e dey for corner, or you bring SSF for Equinox Story House. Plenty dash et you. Madame Ngok Yvonne déclare la disparition de son fils âgé de 18 ans. Le nommé Ngok Ben Christian Frank Loic, parti de la maison familiale 6 en Dogbat depuis le mardi 31 décembre 2019. Frank Loic n'est plus revenu jusqu'à ce jour. Il jouit de toutes ses facultés mentales et s'exprime en Yabasi, Bassa et française. Toute personne qui aperçoit ou hébergerait Gogben, Christian Frank Loïc, est prié du bien vouloir le conduire dans un commissariat ou à la radio Equinox ou joindre les numéros que vous voyez sur l'écran 696 614 326 674 218 826 contre forte récompense. Not only that, for this afternoon, country people then, we want to say big thank you for all now. For Palava that picking the way they be chop them soya for that primary school. We there on top. By tomorrow, una go hear wetin dey happen. As a big commander too for research unit for side for near from Dobo. They dis also hear them mommy them and papa the way they are picking. It they involved. As we talk, the teacher he be the teach na classes and it already chop so take 18 picking that soya for that side so for some primary school for inside the Bonaberry. So that palaba we there on top. Maybe by tomorrow we go give una tori as we meet up that school today. Thank you plenty, Ledupone. Thank you to plenty, Malice, Nadine. You say be there for corner for see as we story happen. On a whole, I'm tight. Sote tomorrow again.